Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add money in Trust Wallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. So let me verify myself first, and yeah, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a buy option at the right side of this receipt. So just tap on that buy, and now you can see tons of cryptos over here. So let me choose any of them. So let me choose BTC for now, and now you can see you need to enter your amount over here. So it is $150 default. So you can see there is a pay with Apple Pay. So just tap on that, and you can choose any of the payment method from here. So you can see there is a Apple Pay. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a three options as well. First one is Apple Pay, another one is credit card, and last one is bank transfer. So you can choose any of them. So let me close this one, and now finally tap on the buy with Apple Pay, or you can also, let's say, credit card, and let's get back, and you can also credit card, this one. And now you can see there is a buy with credit card option. So once you tap on that option, yeah, you will be able to add your money in Trust Wallet successfully, but make sure you verify yourself first. And yeah, basically this is how you can add your money on Trust Wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.